ให้เปิดคอมเถอะ
Yes I
นี่
can
ไง
repeat
มันทีเชอร์ก็เป็นหัวห้องแล้วไม่ใช่เหรอมันเขียนว่า
แต่ว่า
head
มัน
now
เป็น40 นาทีไงใช่เพราะว่าคุณครูที่ลงให้เขาก็คือมันได้เวลาเต็มไง
40 นาทีก็40 นาที
but did it 40 minutes ก็สร้างใหม่ดีพอถึงเวลาพอหมดเวลาก็ค่อยยุบเดี๋ยวค่อยแกเปิดคอมให้ได้ก่อนเถอะเปิดคอมแล้วมันจะมี3 จุดเลย
Let's get started
โอเคทีเชอร์
Okay
จบคือไม่ต้องอันนั้นเนาะในก่อนจ้า
I don't know why I'm not longer a host but I think this one is much complicated Okay but let's start it we have wasting enough time we are going to go on the unit 4 okay let's get ahead with the unit 4 please turn to page class book and turn to page 31 okay page 31 it says at the museum okay at the museum what can you see in the picture can you guess what kind of occupation is he this guy is a scientist and we may call him an inventor okay inventor can you hear me properly or is it too soft yeah okay
Yeah.
great so what's an inventor is the inventor is someone who creates something that wasn't here before can you think of something that normally back in the day in your father and mother's days they don't have it can you guess when I was young we don't have this what do you call this thing
telephone
yes it's called a telephone or on this case it's called a mobile phones okay mobile phones look at that there's like a bunch of a bunch of buttons and stuff that we just click to call that's it and probably just look at the time but not so much you can a little message on it right then when it was your era we have this right this one was probably happened before you were born I guess right 2000 something 2000 and so this is the iPhone this is the iPad and this one is the iWatch and do you know Steve Jobs Yep, that's a Steve Jobs, the late Steve Jobs. He's already passed away. He's the one who created or invented the smartphone. That's why we have the technology now. You know, it's keep.
the iPhone the iPad
Yes, and the iPhone and the iPad, and then you know other people start to developing all the great gadgets here and developing the technologies. That's why we are here, sitting here and studying. That's a part of the advancing technology that he's trying to create it. Back in the day before, Steve Jobs tried to present the laptop. Back in the day, we don't have a laptop or a notebook that we can carry the computer around. I think the IBM or something, the company that sells computer that they have at home, say no to him, denied it. He doesn't think that what do you say? He doesn't think that the laptop would be good enough for everyone because they think that everyone just needs a computer that stay put at places at home or at offices. That's why he quit and then he started his own, company, and then he become super famous and we all know him because he's genius. Okay, on unit 4, it says at the museum. Okay, at the museum. Can you guess where are the children? Where are the children in this room?
They at the museum.
Yes, they're at the museum, but what room, do you know?
Winter Cup เหรอ
Young Inventors Club, right? And these are all the items that they could make. We normally call it the craft items, all the stuff on the table, on the trays. These are all the stuff that you can build something up. So I'd like to turn on the audios and I'd like you to repeat after. Look at the look on your page too, okay? Because I just cut out all the vocabularies here. Look on the page and look at number and then point at it and repeat.
Listening 53. Look, listen, and repeat. 1. Drawing pins.
Drawing
drawing pin
Stapler.
stapler
good.
3. String.
string
4.
Good.
Glue.
Glue.
Card.
card
6. Paper clips.
paper
Paper clips. Good.
7. Tape.
tape
Good.
8. Straws.
Oh, good.
9. Paint. 10.
Good.
10. Paintbrush.
paintbrush
11. Wire.
fire
Okay. The difference between string and the wire is the wire made from metal. Okay. And string just made from cloth material. Okay. What do you call this thing?
Pin.
Drawing pins, right? How about this one? What is it?
Mat.
Stapler. Stapler. How about this one?
wire
String.
wait ring
This one?
Clip. Paper clip.
ring
This one?
Tape.
Tape. Good. How about this one?
tape
Draw.
This one?
Color.
Paint.
paint
Okay. One.
paintbrush
Paintbrush.
Yes, paintbrush. And the last one?
wire
Okay, down between. You have to look at the picture and then write true or false. Okay. Okay, go ahead, do it.
Go ahead, do it. Do it. แม่ขีดเส้นใต้ให้หน่อยได้ไหมได้ค่ะโอเคค่ะขีดเส้นใต้ตรงคำตอบของวิธีการสามข้อโอเคของปิดไหมปิดไว้ลึก
Are you finished? Please let me know when you finish. Finish? Okay, number 1. There is some card in the box, true or false? True.
True.
Number 2, there are 4 paint brushes on the floor. True or false?
False.
How many paint brushes on the floor?
3.
Number 3, there are some drawing pins on the table.
True.
True. Number 4, there isn't any paint in the box. True. A boy has got a stapler and some string.
True. True. True.
There are some paper clips and straws in the box.
False.
There isn't any glue on the table. There is glue on the glue. It's in the right, not on the table. A girl has got some tape and some wire. Tape, but she has got some paper clips. Okay. For this unit, tell me what we're gonna learn for this unit on grammar stuff. Oops, sorry. This one, look at this one. Some, and then, oops, sorry. And then some, any, right? Some, any, some. Okay. For this unit, we're gonna learn about nouns. And we have know that noun is plural nouns or singular nouns, right? It's singular noun, it means one, just one, right? Look at this caddy, just one person, one place, or things, one thing. A plural noun is more than one. 2 cats, right? 2 tables, 2 places, all those stuff. Here are the examples of English when you know, to tell you when you know that is plural, right? We add an S behind it, right? Some of it just add ed, es, it's not ed, sorry. S, es, change it from y to ies. You all know that, right? Here, es, you all know that, right? You know the rules, how to change the nouns from singular to plural, right? Okay. Can you tell me what is the plural of child? What is the plural of child?
Children.
Good, children. What is the plural of foot?
Feet.
Yeah, these are also plural, but it's changing form, right? So I think you know that already, right? One person, if there are more than one person, we say
people.
People.
right, right. What about sheep?
Sheep. Sheep.
Yes, sheep stay the same, right? Fish. Also the
Fish.
same, right? That's what yeah, that's all on the top of my head right now. So if you can remember, you can share it with me. Okay. Also, in English, we can separate it to countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Understand? Countable nouns, it's a noun that we can count. For example, banana, right? We can count 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, you know, 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, okay? And then next one, uncountable nouns, okay? Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, it's a noun that we cannot count, okay? We can't count it. For example, rice, too many, right? Noodles, spaghetti, those are things that really small things that you cannot count. Can you give me another example? That is an uncountable noun. Do you know?
Water.
What is that? Sorry.
Water.
Water, yes. What else? That is the uncountable noun.
Milk.
Milk.
Cheese.
Cheese.
cheese, bread, bread,
Bread. Good job. Oh, that's a lot.
coffee, coffee,
Coffee. Okay. Yeah, lots and lots of this. You need to memorize it by now because
Biscuit.
yes, biscuits. Biscuits can count. Biscuits can count. Okay. Hair, sand. Okay. Hair, they have a special case, but on your level, just remember that hair cannot count because too many, nobody wanna, count the hair. Sand also, all the small things, salt, so these things is it's important for you to know which is countable nouns and which is uncountable nouns because the grammar won't treat them this, right? For example, this one, if it's countable nouns, okay, if it's a countable nouns, they choose it as a singular and plural. For example, there is a book on the table, right? Those houses are very big, you see? So if it's a countable nouns, you have to check whether they're singular or plural. If they're singular or they're plural, you check for the, they take the plural verb. Goes with it. However, if it's uncountable nouns, like all of this stuff, always, always, always take a singular verb, okay? You can't use are with water. You have to always use it is. There is some water in that picture, okay? So what I like you to do before you go, take a piece of paper and then can you copying this down, this diagram? It will come useful when you have a test on the unit 4 test. If you still, online testing, you can open book and look at this. So I think it becomes very useful. So I'd like you to copying this down in your notebook. Please do it now. It won't take long. Just write down, anywhere you want, because if you come back and look at it, you need to be able to understand what you write in it. I think this one would be useful for you on units 4 test. Yes. Prisha, right? You raise your hand. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, I think that's about it for today. I think you have finished copying it down, right? I think that'll be useful for next time that we will go on about how to use, a and some and any. So far, do you have any question?
No.
Probably not. Probably not.
Think photo.
No, teacher.
Right. Okay. So I'll see you again tomorrow and we will come back to this.
Teacher,
Yes.
I think it has 40 minutes, but if it's limit in 40 minutes, it will upgrade for our.
Oh,
เป็นไงล่ะ
Yeah,
ทำไม่ได้ละสิ
but did it now? It's not a 40 minutes now.
oh, this is not 40 minutes yet. I think it's
Yeah.
enough for you today because there's a lot of information. So I don't want to teach you more than that or you're going to get confused. So no homework today. All I want you to do is to go, the vocabularies
ลอง
again.
ทำเล็บต่อได้แล้ว
Then you can do, try to get the understanding of countable nouns and uncountable nouns, okay? And I will see you tomorrow. What time is it? Is that the same link?
Yes.
Yesterday. So if you have time, please send the link to me again.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't have to go look for it. So when will I see you?
Bye, teacher.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye.
I have an insect in my house.
Okay.
I know.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.